My name is Mary Mlambo. I'm the founder and director of Lungelo Youth Development. I'm also a country representative for Good Deeds Day. So Good Deeds Day is an international movement. It's not an organization, it's a movement of all the people in the world that are doing good. The purpose of it is really just to spread goodness and say, let us do good. It doesn't matter, doing good is anything. Could be spreading a smile with somebody, it could be assisting somebody to cut their toenails or plait their hair, just to make somebody comfortable, or just sitting and talking to somebody. Someone getting off the taxi and they're carrying too many stuff and you go and help them carry, that is doing good. So really any positive thing that you do is doing good. It is not only organizations that do good, but even individuals. You know, we've got people that register to do good as individuals as well. So we invite everybody to join in the movement. Governments, institutions of higher learning or schools, anybody can join in. So today is International Good Deeds Day. So all over the world, as I'm speaking with you, all over the world, something good is happening. Now, we as Lungelo Youth Development, we celebrate or we commemorate our Good Deeds Day by creating awareness on things that matter to the community, especially those that are a challenge to us. And because we work on sustainable development goals, we focus, this year we focused on SDG number 6, which is clean water and sanitation. You will know that we are one of those countries that we've got challenges with water. We've got communities that go for days without water, or we even have got brown water coming out of the taps. However, we have got such high rainy season that we don't collect rainwater. We should be harvesting rainwater so that we can collect water.